Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is PQR is a triangle right angled at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Then show that PM square equal to QM into MR. Okay. So first draw a right angle. Okay, right angle. PQR is a right angle triangle. Triangle right angled at P. It is mentioned in the question that PQR is right angled at P. That means the 90 degrees value equal to P. And M is a point on QR. So these two are Q and R, these two points. Okay. So M is a point on QR. Just take M is a point on QR and PM is perpendicular to QR, it is mentioned. So PM is perpendicular to this QR. Okay. So first write the given data. So given that in triangle APQR, okay, in triangle PQR, so angle P equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So since it is given that PQR is right angle at P and M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR, also given that. Also given that M is a point on QR, okay, such that PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay, so this PM is perpendicular to QR. That means angle PMQ equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, angle PMR is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so we have to show that PM square equal to QM into QR. Okay, PM square, that means PM is 2 times, we should get this PM. Okay, so first consider triangle PMQ and triangle PQR. Okay, so in triangle PQR and triangle PMQ. Okay, in triangle PQR and triangle PMQ, both the triangles. Okay, so here angle P equal to 90 degrees and angle PMQ equal to 90 degrees and angle Q is common in both the triangles. Okay, in triangle PQR and triangle PMQ, both the triangles consisting of angle Q as common. So angle Q equal to angle Q, common angle. Okay, next angle QPR. Okay, angle QPR equal to angle PMQ. Angle PMQ equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle PMQ. So first draw the two triangles. Okay, so PQR. Okay, corresponding angle to angle Q is angle Q. Okay, here angle Q equal to angle Q equal and angle QPR, that means angle QPR equal to angle PMQ. Okay, that means corresponding angle to P is M. So we have to take here M. Okay, angle QMP. Okay, so these two triangles are, therefore triangle QPR is similar to triangle QMP, or we can take a triangle PQR is similar to triangle NQP. Okay. So triangle PQR is similar to triangle MQP by AA similarity. Okay, so change here, also change the triangle MQP. Triangle MQP. Okay. So now consider triangle PQR, triangle PMR. Okay, so in triangle PQR and triangle PMR, in both the triangles consisting of angle QR as common. Okay, triangle PQR consisting of angular and triangle PMR consisting of angular. Okay, so angular equal to angular, common angle. Okay, common angle in both the triangles. So next, angle QPR equal to, okay, angle QPR equal to angle PMR equal to 90 degrees. Angle PMR equal to 90 degrees. Since this PM is perpendicular to QR, PMR equal to 90 degrees we have taken. Okay. Now, so triangle, so draw the two triangles separately. Okay, PQR. Okay, so angular, corresponding to angular is angular and angle QPR, so corresponding angle to P is angle M. Okay, so again you have to write PMR. Okay, So PQR, MPR. Okay, we have to take here NPR. NPR. Okay. So therefore triangle PQR is similar to triangle MPR. So this is the second equation. It's by AA similarity, by angle similarity. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get. So from 1, so consider it as one equation. But triangle PQR is similar to triangle MQP and triangle PQR is similar to triangle MPR. So we can write it as MQP is similar to MPR. Okay. So triangle MQP is similar to triangle MPR. So dot two triangles. So if we take as MQP is taken as MPR. Okay. So angle M corresponding to angle M is angle M. Angle Q is angle P. And angle P is angle R. Okay. Corresponding to angle M is angle M. Angle Q is angle P. And angle P is have taken angle R. Okay. So now we can write it as, since these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are always equal. So here we can write it as QM by PM equal to PM by MR equal to QP by PR. Okay. So since in the proof we require to show that PM square, that means PM square is should come twice. Okay, that means PM here, this side consisting of PM, and here in this triangle this side consisting of PM. Okay, so consider these two corresponding sides and these two corresponding sides. Okay, so it implies PM by MR equal to QM by PM by SS similar. Okay, since these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are always equal. Then we are writing here as PM by MR equal to PM by MR equal to QM by PM. QM by PM by SS similarity. Okay, so if we cross multiply, so PM into PM comes as PM square equal to QM into MR. So this is the required proof. So hence proof. Okay, we shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is ABD is a triangle, right angle at A, and AC perpendicular to BD. Then show that AB square equal to BC into BD, and AC square equal to BC into DC, and AD square equal to BD into BD. We have to show. Okay, so given that ABD is a triangle right angle at A. Okay, so draw a right angle first here. Okay, ABD is right angle at A. That means here we have to put A, BD. Okay, so triangle ABD, angle A equal to 90 degrees given. Okay, this is the given data, and also given that AD is perpendicular to BD. Sorry, AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so and given that AC is perpendicular to BD, that means angle BCA equal to angle DCA equal to 90 degrees. It implies that angle BCA equal to angle DCA equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so first step is we have to show that AB square equal to BC into BD. So AB square equal to BC into BD. That means AB square is, it must become 2 times. Okay, so it is coming twice. Okay, AB square, that means in triangle ABC it is AB, and triangle ABD also consisting of AB. So consider triangle, two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Okay, in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, in both the triangles angle B is common. Okay, angle B equal to angle B, so that is common angle. Okay, and angle BAD, okay, angle BAD equal to angle BCA equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle BAD equal to angle BCA equal to 90 degrees. Okay, next, therefore by AA similarity these two triangles are similar. So first draw these two triangles separately. It will be easy to. So A, B, D. So corresponding angle to angle B is angle B, and corresponding angle to A is BAD. This is C. Okay, BCA. That means corresponding angle to A is C. So corresponding A, B, A, C. Okay. So write it as ABD similar to CBA. Okay. CBA. Okay. So therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBA by AA similarity. Okay. So since these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That means AB by BC equal to BD by AB. Okay. We can write it as AB by BC equal to BD by AB by SS similarity. Okay. So if we cross multiply this, so AB into AB, that is AB square equal to BC into BD. So this is the required proof of first one. So AB square equal to BC into BD. We have proved. Okay. So now we shall start the third one. Okay. Third proof, that is we have to prove that AD square equal to BD into CD. Okay. So AD square equal to BD into BC we have to prove. So AD square, that means it is in the triangle ADC. Okay. In triangle ADC it consisting of side AD. In triangle ABD also it consisting of side AD. So consider triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Okay. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in both the triangles, angle D is common. Angle D equal to angle D, common angle. Okay. And angle BAD equal to angle DCA equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Angle BAD equal to angle DCA equal to 90 degrees. So therefore by AA similarity these two triangles are similar. So first draw these two triangles separately. So first one you can take ABD. Okay. So corresponding angle to D is here angle D, and corresponding angle to A is BAD. Corresponding angle to angle A is C. So BAD equal to DCA. That means here C should come. Okay. So ABD is similar to CAD. You have to write it as CAD. Okay. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD by AA similarity. Okay. So if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That means AB by AC equal to BD by AD equal to AD by CD we can write. So in the proof it is required to show that AD square. That means AD should become twice. That means AD, the side consisting of AD should be considered. That means AD. Okay. So AD by CD equal to BD by AD. Okay. So it implies that since the two triangles are similar, so the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That means AD by CD equal to BD by AD. Okay. By SS similarity. Okay. Now cross multiply this. Okay. So AD into AD we get AD square equal to BD into CD. So this is the required proof of third one. So from the first proof consider it as first equation, and from the third proof consider it as second equation. Here ABD, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBA, and here triangle ABD is similar to triangle CAD. So from 1 and 2 we get. Okay. So from first and second equation we get that triangle CBA is similar to triangle CAD. Okay. Triangle CBA is similar to triangle CAD. Okay. So draw these two triangles. CBA, CAD. Okay. If these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. That means BC by AC equal to AB by AD equal to AC by CD. Okay. So in the second proof, it is required to show that AC square. That means AC should come twice. Okay. We consider AC here. So AC by BC equal to CD by AC. Okay. So it implies that AC by BC equal to CD by AC. Okay, by SS similarity. So again cross multiply these two terms. So AC into AC we get AC square equal to BC into CD. So this is the required proof of second. Okay, hence prove. This is the answer.